Hello, you have Coca-Cola? Oh, that's super, super. Hello.
Ça va? Tu parles anglais?
English, yeah, English. Norwega. I come from Norwega. So good. Thank you. Bonjour.
Comment ça va?
Hey, you want one? Goodbye.
Merci. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Because all cars stop there and the people walking.
They're all walking. Yeah,
We
okay.
have just donkey, Medina, camel.
Is it safe here?
No, come I give you a good place.
Yeah.
My friend, no problem, luggage. If you want to keep you this one, I have a place.
Yeah, I can put a lock on it. Are you here all the time?
Yes.
So you take
Yeah.
care of it. Yeah, super. Super.
My friend, look.
Yeah.
I will explain to you 1 minute. Look.
Yeah.
This is the front of you. This is the blue gates.
This gate
Yes, green gates.
there? Okay.
This is the main gates of the Medina. There is two color, blue and green.
Blue and green. Okay.
Yeah. And this is the garden and the king palace and Jewish part also.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Yeah.
And this is wall here.
Yeah,
is
this
it
is
around
the
all
world. Yes,
central?
sir. This is the world for the Medina. If you want to know if you are in the Medina, Tawal Warqa.
Ah, okay, I understand. I understand.
When you go outside the house, you think you go outside to all the Medina.
Yeah, okay, okay.
When we see the house, you think you are inside the Medina.
Yeah, okay. Good to know. Good to know. A camera.
Yeah, no, it's very famous man. Said, it named Said. Okay, he's good man. Go. And if you are happy, make him happy. If you are not happy, Don't pay nothing. You are lucky man. سعيد يدير هيا يدير
Outside.
تعرف لا تخدم لا تدي بالموتور.
Outside. This is the wall of Medina. All the wall. No. I know. Hey, don't worry for this. There's a neat picture of the wall.
Ah, do it like this.
There is the castle.
Oh, you have a castle.
Two castles. There is the north castle and we have the south castle. Two castle outside. And the first Medina or Medina of Morocco. Look, my friend, look. Look inside. This is the dynasty, Iranian dynasty, from the 14th century.
On the top.
Yeah, in the top. In the fourth dynasty, the green one, from 9th century.
9th century.
Yes.
Wow, it's old.
When the France colonic,
Yeah.
down sun, close the doors, up sun, the doors open, the people get out. Yeah. And we have 320 mosques. Look how
320
many,
mosques.
yeah, look how
Wow.
many minarets. Look.
But how many people live here in Fez?
2 million.
2 million in
Yes,
Fez.
yes,
Wow,
2 million.
it's a big city.
This is the North Castle.
Yeah.
The France, it was building for security because Medina closed. And we have the South Castle over there.
On the top, you see.
Yeah, at the right side. Where
Oh,
the,
there, yeah, there.
where the
yeah, on
olive
right
trees.
side. Was that the capital?
Before Rabat,
Before
capital.
Rabat, yeah,
Now
yeah.
capital Rabat.
Yeah,
Speaking
yeah.
there. Before it was Fes, capital spiritual, religious, and monuments in handicraft of Morocco. Why we have you see, in the wall, look the Fes capital leather. People come buy the leather from here.
Oh, you make leather here.
Yeah. Touch to see. Salam alaikum. Touch to see.
Yeah.
Ship bag. يا جمال. بفلو bag. Ship.
قرون.
You understand?
I understand.
Look. Now we cut it. Go there.
Hey, salam alaikum. Oh, you make the mosaic. Wow.
Toute à la main, pas de machin.
Nice. Oh,
Piece by piece.
wow.
No machine. يلا.
Thank you.
شكرا in
Shuk-
Arabic.
I say shukran.
شكرا.
Shukran.
Look, people you do this for volunteer. Many people, many tourists they come from America, from everywhere to buy table.
Oh, yeah.
See?
Wow. Look, you see, it's beautiful. Ready?
This is the factory.
Oh, hey.
My name is Mohammed.
Alf.
You go with him he go to show you
Oh, okay.
to take picture. In me, I wait you here.
I will explain to you about from A to Z. Okay, welcome from sir.
I come from Norway, Norwega.
No, Oslo.
Oslo, yeah,
Oslo.
not Oslo,
I
but.
I like your country.
Oh, thank you.
Scandinavia.
Thank you.
Scandinavia. So, this is the clay. In Morocco, we have two kinds of the clay. First, we have this Greek clay. The Greek clay, the first material principle for making the mosaic. By mosaic, making the table. Now, this is it. This is. I show. Now.
Oh. It's electric.
Yeah,
or
electric.
Gas?
With gas.
Electric.
No,
Gas.
By
Yeah.
gas. By gas. Before function by olive.
Okay.
The olive making the pollution, smoke.
Okay.
Lots of smoke.
Yeah.
For this, no use more.
Oh, so
No
yeah.
function by gas.
Yeah.
So, for example, sir.
The tangine.
This is tangine. Yeah. Just example. Just example to explain. For example, when we have more than 300 articles. 24 hours to dry.
Yeah.
To dry. When dry, for example, tangine is dry. When dry, send it to oven. For example, this is it was like this. The Greek
Yeah,
clay.
it was like
Greek
that
clay.
one.
Yeah. Send it to oven. First cook become biscuits and puts in the glass and the glass and make a design and
Yeah.
send it to oven
And
to,
then
to fix design.
Okay. Yeah.
Fix color. Fix color by 1200 degree. Now I will show you how making this work by hand.
Yeah.
I will show you how working. Look, cuts by 5. Cuts by 5. Look. Now the top like this.
Yeah.
Like this, the top. Three generation. Her grandfather work here and father and him. Three
so
generation. Grandfather too. This is her job. Work here and father and son. Around this by foot. Just
Yeah, I see.
Look, tangine is
Oh,
a
it's perfect. Wow.
Now, I will show you something other, sir. Like so. This man too, is 4 generation.
4 generations.
Father of grandfather and grandfather and father
father
and him.
and him.
4 generation. Father of grandfather work here. Much thanks and interesting. I will show you something other, sir. This work. It's very nice work.
Salam alaikum.
This is Salam alaikum. Bravo. This is nice silver 100%. Lobster.
So beautiful.
Gift. I asked him to make a gift for you.
Oh, it's so nice.
Do you like red color or blue color?
Yeah, blue color maybe.
Blue color.
Ah. Oh, thank you. How I say thank you?
I make it. Shukran.
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 Yes.
Nice done before.
Yes.
Now it's more nice. After master design. Look. Look, cheese it.
Oh, it's heavy.
Look.
Thank you.
Yeah. والو دويتي هذا ما نعيط لك والو لك انا شخبار العواش
I'm so impressed, you know. It's an amazing job.
This table more than 2000 pieces. This is the camel bone.
Camel.
Camel bone, yeah.
Ah.
Camel bone and silver. This work it's nine relief. This is shipping for everywhere.
Oh, I see. USA.
America,
USA.
Norway, Australia, Swiss, Scotland, Finland, Iceland, Greenland, Grenada, up everywhere. Brazil,
Australia,
Yeah.
see, Italy, USA, Brazil,
Brazil,
Canada,
everywhere.
everywhere. Oh, look at
This is
this.
the provision final. Check your time if you like something. This month 10% discount.
I would like this one, but I drive motorcycle.
You can see, sir. You can see. I hope I explained to you good.
Yes,
I
you
hope-
did.
I hope
Thank
that-
you. My name is
I hope
Alf
that. My name is Muhammad.
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 Nice to meet you.
Muhammad Couscous.
Muhammad Couscous, yeah. Yeah, you told me in the beginning. I forget, I'm sorry.
Yeah. Yeah.
You don't say maybe it's dead.
Everything he cut it. والله انا
Yeah, this was cleaning with limestone.
After cleaning, take the hair, the fat, everything off with lime. After cleaning, they put it in the angle with pigeon poop because contain natural ammoniac. They
Oh,
don't use chemical at all. Instead of ammoniac, they use pigeon poop.
ah,
After they put on with the husk, in the thin one with the husk, because the husk also make leather thicker and open leather to after color. After they clean, they wash with the clean water and they put in the brown vat.
Yeah.
That tannin come from tamarind. The base color come from like the one hanging, come from tamarind and oak tree. And after dyeing
oak
different color. Red from poppy flowers. Yellow saffron. Look saffron here on the look at turmeric and saffron on the roof here.
oh, yeah.
Take picture on the roof there. Right.
Yeah, I saw it.
Blue indigo, orange henna, black coal and green from wild mint.
Nice.
One second. Uy, perdón.